Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another English practice video.
Today, we will learn English for shopping.
You will practice useful phrases to ask for help, try on clothes, and buy items in a store.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's get started.
Hello. How can I help you?
I'm just looking, thank you. Yes, I need some help.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
I'm looking for a pair of black shoes.
Where can I find the men's clothing section?
It's over there, near the entrance.
Do you sell winter coats?
Yes, we have them in the back of the store.
Can you recommend something for cold weather?
These jackets are very warm and stylish.
Can I try this on, please?
Sure, the fitting rooms are at the back.
Does this shirt fit me?
It looks great on you.
Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we have it in blue and white.
How much is this?
It's $25.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
Is this on sale?
No, but we'll have a sale next week.
I'll take this one, please.
Would you like a bag for that?
Yes, please. No, thank you. I'll pay with cash. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Do you accept mobile payments?
Yes, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Sure, here you go.
Excuse me. I think there's a mistake on my receipt.
Let me check that for you.
You're right. I'll fix it for you now. Excuse me. I'd like to return this.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'll take a refund, please. Can I exchange this for a different size?
Of course, let me check if we have your size.
We have it in medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, thank you.
What do you recommend as a gift?
This perfume is very popular.
Do you have any gift wrapping services?
Yes, we can wrap it for you.
What is your return policy?
You can return items within 30 days with a receipt.
Do you offer free delivery?
Yes, for purchases over $50.
Here are some questions to practice with a friend. Can you ask where the shoes are located? How would you ask for a different size? What would you say if you wanted to return an item? How do you ask if something is on sale?
Pause the video and try answering these questions. Then play it back to check your answers.
Thank you for practicing shopping English with me today.
Try using these phrases next time you go shopping.
Keep practicing every day to improve your English.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.